Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the file so edits are non-destructive. Duplicate the background and work on that copy. Use a lasso or pen to make a careful rough selection around each lens and frame, extending slightly into surrounding skin to avoid sharp edges. Once done, feather the selection 13px and create a layer mask. This isolates the glass so you can paint, sample, and clone without affecting the rest of the face. You now remove the glass and reflections. Try content-aware fill first for big, uniform lens areas, then refine with clone stamp at lower opacity to rebuild skin texture. Sample nearby skin frequently. Apply the healing brush to blend pores and tiny specular highlights so the result reads naturally. If skin detail is complex, apply frequency separation and work on low-frequency tones first. Then restore high-frequency texture by cloning or painting in small patches. You finish by matching tones and fine detail so the edit is invisible. Use curves or selective color on adjustment layers to match surrounding skin contrast, then dodge and burn subtly to restore natural shading. Recreate any catch lights or frame shadows on separate layers to sell the depth. If you see repeating texture or cloning artifacts, vary your source areas, add a tiny bit of noise, and apply a very slight Gaussian blur to break the repeating pattern and make the skin read as real.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.